Welcome to the Provideam Plan Adherence plugin training video. In this video we are going to see the four aspects of the Plan Adherence module: data entry, and there are a number of options, production linking, reporting, and configuring views. So first we're going to look at how you get data into the Plan Adherence module. You can do it manually through the Provideam user interface. You can do it via a CSV import or an automatic script from your ERP system. So firstly, we're going to look at how you would enter a production plan record into your Provideam Plan Adherence module. So we're now looking at the management page for plans, where we see a number of plans, some of which are completed, some are pending, and some are in production. In production being the plan that's currently running on a particular machine. We have a target time for the plan and we have a lot shift start date. This indicates that the production plan record has actually been produced. If there's no date here, it hasn't been set up on a machine yet. So to create a new production plan, we click the Add New button and we enter the details. We enter the lot name, the machine, part and tool, the quantity we require, and a target time. The target time will be the time in hours that we anticipate it should take to produce this production run. So we now have a new pending record. When we go to report and draw a Gantt chart with this information, the order of the pending records will be important in that the Gantt chart will be configured to show the pending production plans in the order that we have set up here in this management page. So now looking at the CSV import-export feature. Clicking on the export feature, I can save the production plans that we have on the page to a text file. And then to import, I click the import button and I import from a text file with the appropriate configuration of planning records. We notice in this case that one record already exists. So we now have a number of extra records that we have just imported from the text file. The details can be edited subsequently via the management user interface. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is link these production records to actual production records on the machine. The key thing in terms of linking is to ensure that the lot names are the same. So on the dashboard, if we look at the molding machine, we can see that the current lot name is molding machine 1_lot10. To link the molding machine to a particular production record from the plan, we would modify the lot name to suit the plan name. In this case, we are already running on the plan, so we can save without changing. as we can see here, molding machine 1 _ lot 10. So the next section we want to look at is the reporting. The Plan Adherence module provides a simple Gantt chart report, which gives a very clear indication of how well we are performing versus our production plan. I've already created a template here, which is a day report, where we can see a range of production plans for a particular period. The plan itself is a green bar, the amount completed is a red bar. The in production plan is highlighted here with the blue segment, which is when we predict to complete the order based on the current value of OEE. So if our OEE is not performing as well as we would hope, our end time will be beyond the planned end time. We see the same information in terms of a table when we can see the numbers of products that have been produced, the percentage out of the plan that's been produced, and the time we're planned to complete and the time we predict we will complete the production record. As with all reports in Provideam, the report can be printed, emailed, exported to CSV or to PDF. To modify a report, we can change the details, perhaps add some filters, and change the period. And then create a template. So the next thing I want to show you is view configuration. In the management page, we have an opportunity to create different views which show the information in different ways. So here I have 2 views created, and I can select between either of the views. So we can see different fields are used in both views. So to create or to change a view, we click the Setup button, which allows us to edit the individual field name. So we can change the name of the field, or we can change the background color of the field. Then to create a view, we click the Add New button, or to modify a view, we select the view and we see the details which have been configured already for that view. So the fields that are to be displayed are visible on the right-hand selection box and also in the checkboxes on the left-hand side. To update, we check or uncheck on the left-hand side and click the Update button. We can also reorder the fields as they should appear on the report using the up-down buttons on the right-hand side. And then we can save the view with a name. The order in which the views appear on the dashboard can be modified using the Change Order button. We see here we have changed the order in which the views appear. So thank you for watching our Plan Adherence plugin training video. If you would like to discuss your project in any more detail, please do not hesitate to contact me, Paul Mitchell, at provideam.com.